Welcome, excuse me, wow. Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. This video right here is going to be something real quick. And what I mean by real quick, I want to say to everyone, I haven't gave up on my YouTube channel. It's just a lot of things has been going on. And from here on out, the videos you're going to see, I can tell you right now, will be started with my Teespring experience and stuff like that. And then after that, it will be considering what I'm going to do about the merch and stuff like that I have planned. And then we're going to go back into the build, but at the same time, I have another video on another build that I was doing that I want to get done, but that's on another video. I won't get too much into that video. And then I'm going to say real quick what I have decided to do, and to give you an idea of what has been going on and what I've been thinking about doing. So in a previous video, I was talking about putting this motor right here in the car, and you know, turbo it, all this and all that. And I decided to go back and put the original, which the original is still over there, right there, putting that back in the car and getting it up and running and getting things done. So I just want to let you guys know I haven't, completely stopped doing my build. I ran into a little issue with the welder that I had, and the welder that I had really wound up just causing me more issues than what it was worth. So I got rid of the issue, got rid of the welder, and I am in the process of buying a new welder. And with that being said, it's been almost a month now since I uploaded the video. But I just wanted to do a real quick video to let you guys know that I am still here, still doing videos. And the videos I will be uploading here soon will be my merch videos. After my merch videos, it will be my videos about the car, and from there, and then the other car that I'm working on top of that. But I just wanted to do this quick video, like I said before, and I'm going to stop all the chitter chattering. I'm going to say like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want to see more on me finishing the car, which the car is not done, finishing the car, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see me when I put this motor in that car, go ahead and hit that notification bell to be notified when I decide to put that in. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put that motor in over there. You can't see it. Hopefully you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. But I'm going to go ahead and quit all the chitter chatter and say like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. Tumblr. It's not Tumblr. Why I keep saying Tumblr? God dog, man. After all this time that I ain't been on the channel, I'm still saying Tumblr. It's not Tumblr. It's Tumblr. Tumblr. What the freak is Tumblr? Golly, okay, whatever. It's whatever. We'll just put it in the description box, or I'll put it up here somewhere what it is. But if you already know and you subscribed, then you know what it is. And then I want to let some people know that I changed my Instagram, and I'll put that in the description box down below. And guys, I'm gonna stop all this, and I'll see you guys real soon, and hopefully you'll see more of the videos and subscribe, all the good stuff. And guys, I am out of here.